Have you ever pondered over the life-saving potential of a humble medical journal at home? Yes, you heard it right. A medical journal, carefully kept and regularly updated, can indeed be a lifesaver. Today, we dive into the top 5 reasons why a medical journal at home is not just a good idea, but a necessity. The first reason is the ability to track health patterns. Just as a weather journal helps us understand climate patterns, a medical journal can help us understand our body's patterns. By recording symptoms, medications, and reactions, we can track the ebb and flow of our health, allowing for proactive measures rather than reactive responses. The second reason is the ease of communication with healthcare providers. A well-maintained medical journal serves as a comprehensive record of health history, which can be invaluable during medical consultations. It provides a clear picture of past ailments, treatments, and their effects, enabling healthcare providers to make informed decisions. Thirdly, a medical journal empowers personal responsibility for health. Active participation in tracking and understanding one's health can lead to increased motivation for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It encourages self-awareness and prompts timely medical checkups. The fourth reason is the potential for early detection of serious conditions. Regular entries in a medical journal can highlight subtle changes in health, which might otherwise go unnoticed. These changes could be early signs of serious health conditions, and catching them early can significantly improve treatment outcomes. The fifth and final reason is the role of a medical journal in emergency situations. In such cases, immediate access to accurate medical history can be critical. A medical journal can provide this information quickly, potentially saving precious minutes and lives. To summarize, a medical journal at home can be a potent tool for tracking health patterns, facilitating communication with healthcare providers, encouraging personal responsibility for health, enabling early detection of serious conditions, and providing essential information in emergency situations. The importance of maintaining a medical journal at home cannot be overstated. It's a small effort that can yield significant benefits, potentially even saving lives. So, if you don't have a medical journal at home yet, today might be a good day to start one. Remember, health is wealth, and a medical journal is a wise investment in this invaluable asset. Thank you for joining us today. Stay healthy, stay informed, and until next time, take good care of yourself. Goodbye for now. Before we wrap up, we would like to invite you to become a part of our health-conscious community. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our future content. We regularly share insightful tips, guides, and discussions, all aimed at promoting a healthier lifestyle. And that's not all. We have a special treat for you. In the description box below, you'll find a link to our comprehensive guide on maintaining a medical journal at home, written by a distinguished doctor. This guide could potentially be a lifesaver, providing you with a step-by-step approach to tracking your health patterns effectively. So go ahead, subscribe, hit the bell, and follow the link. We're excited to have you with us on this journey towards better health. Thank you once again for your time, and remember, your health is your greatest asset. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed.